Hello, and thank you for joining today's demonstration. Today, we're going to talk about innovation in the manufacturing industry, and specifically around a solution that Microsoft has developed using a platform called Dynamics CRM Online. My name is Tabitha Sheaver, and I am the CRM Practice Director here at PA Group. We are based in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we really help manufacturing organizations with CRM, ERP, and MES implementation. So if you're interested in speaking with us, our contact information will be at the end. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So the reason we wanted to do this demo is because we really understand that manufacturers are facing so much increased competitive pressure. There's so many just wrong or end-of-life products or solutions, and you guys really need a way to create more collaboration and a little bit more of a problem-solving environment where all of the people within your organization can contribute. Connected innovation capabilities in Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online are going to help you guys increase your collaboration amongst all the stakeholders. It's going to encourage your employees to contribute to innovation, and ultimately the goal is to improve operational capabilities and responsiveness. This sort of innovation is really based on 5 stages, and they can take you all the way from envisioning to execution. And when we implement it through this framework within CRM, the enterprise can collaborate and innovate throughout the idea's life cycle. In this demonstration, we're going to see an example of this sort of connected innovation in action. And this demo is going to feature our Chief Innovation Officer at a manufacturing company who's going to identify a strategic business challenge. And then she is going to have a design engineer who responds to her challenge with an idea. And then finally, the Chief Financial Officer who will approve the budget and turn the idea into an opportunity. This is just one example of how connective innovative capabilities can apply to areas of business focus. So with that, let's start off with Carrie Miles. She's the Chief Innovation Officer at this manufacturing company, and she uses Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online to not only issue but manage the business challenges that can ultimately lead to growth opportunities for her organization. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hop into CRM here. This is where Carrie begins her day every day. She reviews the sales activity social dashboard, and she can monitor leads, she can look at opportunities, and she can even take a look at how her customers are doing. Now, as the head of innovation, Carrie is always looking for ways to improve operations and grow the business. And one way she does this is by issuing challenges to her employees. These challenges allow them to easily contribute new ideas and suggestions for innovation. She opens a challenge having to do with developing smarter manufacturing capabilities. Because Dynamics Online integrates with something called Microsoft Social Engagement, Carrie can easily monitor social sentiment around the topic within the organization to ensure the challenge is relevant, that it's actually a business objective that they want to work on. And so she can take a look at all of this information and get some competitive analysis from the feedback going on within the organization in order to better inform the innovation efforts. So she has taken a look at this, and she decides that this is a good challenge, and so she is going to go ahead and let her employees respond to the challenge that she has set up here. So this is where Danny comes in, and Danny is a senior design engineer, and he wants to respond to Carrie's challenge with an idea that he has. He simply goes into CRM and he creates a new idea record. He gives his idea a title, and he begins entering the details. Now, Dynamics CRM Online is actually walking Danny through this business process flow. And this can either be customized based on the industry best practices for innovation management or just to your own organization's processes. To facilitate collaboration, Danny wants to go ahead and add some additional colleagues so that they can contribute to his idea as well. So we're going to go ahead and add Clay and Marietta here. And up here, he has invited his contributor, so that task is now complete, and he can go ahead and communicate out to the rest of the organization that this is an idea that they can go ahead and they can post on. So he's going to go into Yammer, which is another technology from Microsoft, but it integrates directly here with CRM, and he can post information particularly about this idea. Over time, Danny's colleagues are going to use this Yammer feed to answer questions and to help refine the idea. So here you can see Emma has responded, and Olivia wants to go ahead and she wants to respond. And what's really cool about Yammer is that while people are reviewing the ideas, his colleagues can go in and they can actually click the like button to really show their support for this particular idea. So once Danny has decided that his idea has been developed sufficiently, he goes ahead and marks this as complete and that it's ready for review here. This then goes back to Carrie, and Carrie can review the ideas now, and she can see what's been submitted in a response to her innovation challenge in order to find and promote the best projects. So here she's taking a look at the activity ideas, and Carrie can actually sort by the number of votes. If you remember before, everybody was able to click like. That was actually tracked here, and it allows Carrie to sort and to find out which ideas are the most popular. You can see here that the hybrid production line is the most popular, and so she goes ahead and opens the record, and she can see this Yammer conversation, and she decides that she wants to post to show her support, and so she can just go ahead and respond here, and everyone in this group can see it. Now up here, she can say that she has actually accepted this as an initiative, and she can go ahead and click on the next stage. At this stage, she can review the ideas, and then she can actually score it based on her business needs. So she's decided that this is a great idea, and then there's a medium level of risk, and so she is going to go ahead and proceed with this. At this point, again, she can click next stage, but this is really going to move it over to Danny, our senior design engineer, who's going to take it from here. And he'll create a project simply by hitting this plus button here. So we met Danny a little bit earlier, but he's now involved in the project because he needs to compile the information needed to make his idea into an actual project proposal for his CFO to review. He's also going to do that within CRM. So here he's going to go ahead and he's going to put the information in about the description, and then he's going to, again, engage his team and really collaborate and get them excited about kicking off this project. Once the details and the scope of the project have been defined, Danny can actually go in here and update the task in this business process bar. And again, he does all this outside of CRM, but it's a great way, to keep track of where are you in this overall process, what's been completed and what hasn't, so that you know when it's actually ready to present to the CFO for approval. Once he's done all of his tasks, marked them all as complete, he's going to go the project's going to go to Tyson DeBerry, who's the Chief Financial Officer, and he's going to actually approve Danny's test project for the marketplace. So Tyson has to go in and review the project and approve it, and he can just simply click yes once he's decided that this is a good project, and he can actually indicate the amount that he's going to fund this project for. Again, he can use Yammer to notify the team of his decision, and then they are good to go. The project is ready to be executed and actually promoted into the marketplace. Now, if you're interested in the marketing functionality, you can check out our other video called Marketing, Sales, and Service for Manufacturing. We don't have time to cover all of that in today's demo, so we're just going to skip and act as if the marketing department has executed their campaign, and they will go into this project idea, and they will actually associate their marketing campaign to this project. Now, if we fast forward just a little bit, when this we're going to fast forward a little bit here. So when this new design win opportunity related to this innovation comes up, now they can trace it back to the originating project and the design idea so that the success of the innovation efforts can really be measured from beginning to end. And at the end of the day, you're really successfully bringing this idea and connecting it with opportunity. So we're going to create a new opportunity here, and we want to go ahead and save it. And this is going to be a design win project, and as you see that filled out, a bunch of additional information. And again, we can share with our team here that we're excited about this opportunity. If you noticed, all of the business process bar actually changed. So that concludes at least the demo portion of this. And as you just saw, the connected innovation capabilities from Dynamics CRM Online can help your organization increase collaboration amongst all your stakeholders and really encourages employees to contribute and to collaborate and improve the operational capabilities and the responsiveness. This is just one example of how connected innovation capabilities can be leveraged to help you meet your business objectives. If you're interested in learning more about other solutions that we have for manufacturing organizations, I highly recommend you check out our website at pa-group.us. And if you want to speak directly with one of us, you can click Contact and enter in the form, or you can call or email me directly. My name is Tabitha Sheaver, and I'm at tabitha.sheaver@pa-group.us or 314-517-2168. Thanks for joining, and look forward to hearing from you soon.